Okay, so we have question 8 now. Lewis had 135 action figures. Sam had 990. Jane had 570. After Jane gave an equal number to the two boys, Sam had 4 times as many action figures as Lewis. And how many action figures did Jane have left? So that's the question. Okay, so obviously we have to compare, and I will always start drawing with using the phrase where there is a comparison between two people, because to me it's easier to draw my 4 times and my 1 time. So for Sam, I have 4 units, and for Lewis, I have 1. But notice that this 4 times from Sam is after Jane gives an equal number of action figure to the 2 people. Okay, same for Lewis. So therefore, in both their bars, you actually have to cut a little bit out. Cut a little bit out, and these 2 are of the same size. And notice that this came from Jane. Okay, so this essentially came in from Jane. So now let's draw Jane's bar. Jane originally would have had a longer bar, but shorter than Sam's, because 570 should be shorter. Okay, and within that, there would have been 2 green bars, and these are the 2 green bars that she gave each in equal number to Lewis and to Sam. The question mark in this question is whatever that she has had left. So this is the question mark. Okay, so the last thing that I think we need to do is to fill in the 3 numbers, 135, 990, and 570. So Lewis at 135, but the 135 is the before. So this is 135. It doesn't include what Jane has given. Sam had 990 before what Jane has given, and Jane had 570. That's before she gave it away. So the green bars are included. Okay, so you realize that the green unknown bars makes it difficult to solve, so we can't start working from Jane. Instead, we have to look at the comparison between these 4 units and this 1 unit. Okay, even though at the start this 990 doesn't make it 4 units, neither does the 135. But what we notice is that the difference between the 2 boys is always this part here. The difference, I repeat, the difference between Sam and Lewis is always this part, and this is my 3 units. Okay, this is the difference. And this difference didn't change. So therefore, we will take 990 minus away 135, and this answer should give us 3 units, which is the difference. Okay, the difference here. This is the difference. Alright, and from there, after you do that, are you able to find out what is 1 unit? I think you can. And from the 1 unit, are you able to then figure out what is the green bar? And then finally, you can try to solve the problem and find out how much Jane has left. This question is definitely the toughest out of the 4. So if you're still unsure, come back to check out the full solution video. Give it a try.